What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're at a car show today. I got my Hellcat here, and my buddy, he's got his out. His is octane red. Let me flip the camera around. I'll show you what his looks like. All right, so his actually has a couple options more than mine. So his has the sunroof in it, and he actually added leather seats like I did with mine. Well, mine's suede and leather, but he hasn't really did anything else with the interior. And then his also, it came when we bought it, it came with the SRT performance spoiler. I think that's pretty cool, and I'll eventually, I have mine, but I'm waiting because that's gonna be, I don't know, that's gonna be kind of sketchy having a pry on the back and everything. But let's take a look at these other cars that are around here and see what we got. So right beside my car, this guy has a really nice C7, and this is set up the same color scheme that my C6 was, the Arctic white, and he has the red interior, and then has the black wheels with the red brake calipers to match. It's a real nice car.
So you know the black one?
We got some more Corvettes over here. Got a Mustang. You see a C5 over there. Let's go over here and take a look at these. So here's a nice C3, beautiful red color. Has the engine looking pretty clean. The interior on it's really nice. Here we got us an old Bel Air. So much room under that hood. He's got nice, it's black, and then it's got two-tone purple up top. It's almost like a plum crazy color. It looks like he's restored the interior on this one. Really nice. I don't know much about Mustangs, but this one definitely caught my eye. 427 Roush. Looks real nice. He's got the windows tinted so dark you can't even see inside of it, but we'll take a look on the outside. It's a convertible. Nice wheels. And we got another C7 here. And that one's a 7-speed manual. Beautiful color combination. And we got some nice red ones over here. Now this C7, it looks like it's been fully optioned. That's a 2019. This has the high-rise spoiler on it. I'll show you what it looks like. And then I actually talked to the guy that has this C5 Z06 over here to tell me a nice story about it, how he got it. And I believe he said this is a 2003. He's kept the inside in really good shape. And they got another C7 over here. I love how he has looks like the carbon flash metallic mirrors on there. I think that goes with the black and red really well. Well, y'all look at this. This thing is beautiful. Look at that. I don't know if you can really tell that color in the sunlight, but it is beautiful. Tell you guys, this thing's nice. And in case y'all are interested, I'll show you the front. This is actually for sale. You call that number, that's the price he's asking. Might be able to work with him a little bit, but I'm telling you, this thing is beautiful. I'd love to have this thing. I'm sure if you're seeing this video and it's already been out for 6 months, I wouldn't even bother calling this guy because this thing's probably going to go quick. So let's not bother him too much. Here we got us a red Mustang. It's got the white top on it. Looks like everything's original on this one. The interior is in great shape. This has got the 289 in it. Now this guy looks like he's got a lot of money in this. Got it bagged. You see the interior on it. It's got suede and leather. The seats. I tell you, this thing is beautiful. It's got a nice little two-tone on it. Look at the motor in this. And that looks like a Plymouth motor in it. You should have seen everybody whenever he was pulling in. You got a nice little Ford here. It's got the Moon equipped fuel tank. I don't know much about this or what he has in it. It is nice, really nice. And it looks like he's got some Nittos on there. Yep. Got a nice Z28 right there. There's a lady in the car, so I don't want to try too much right now. We'll come back and look at that one. I love how the split hood is on this. Nice clean motor. I'm not exactly sure what year this is. It's beautiful. Looks like he's got painted and match on the inside. Got some cool little dice and a little dice shifter up there. How about that? Here we got a nice Galaxy 500. Pretty good looking motor. I like the color he's got. Interior's in pretty good shape. Definitely not an interior color I like, but it does go good with the white. Got a nice side exhaust exit on both sides right there in front of the wheels. And here's a car I've never seen in person before, an AMX. These originally came with the, I think it's a 290. Not sure if we can get the actual color. There we go, and get a little bit of the flake off the sun. Interior is in beautiful shape. Like the steering wheel he's got with the wood grain. Pretty color in the sun. Here we got a couple Mustangs, got a newer one. I'm not sure what year this is. He's got a nice set of chrome wheels on these. And we got another older Mustang here. Project car. But hey, you gotta start somewhere. I'm sure he'll get it there. Got a nice Super Sport here. I actually talked to the guy, and this is, I believe he said it was a 496. Talk about a big motor. I tell you, you should have heard this thing coming in. Had the whole parking lot looking. He's got some skinnies on the front. Big old fat tires on the back of it. Looks like the interior's pretty much been fully restored on it. And it actually has a 5-speed in it. This is a nice car. This looks like it has a C4 motor in it. Let y'all get a look at the paint. Some sunlight hitting it. Looks like he's got some custom speakers back there. Really neat car. Definitely caught my eye when I saw the motor. But I mean, they did a great job hiding all the wiring stuff on the C4 motor, putting it in here. You got a few other cars over here. Got a nice SS. Really clean. Looks like he's got a K&N air filter on it. Not sure what else he has done to it. I've always liked these. And I'm pretty sure the only way you can buy these is when you get them. I think the interior, the trim, I think it's when you buy them, they're fully loaded. Definitely been one car that's always caught my eye. And we got a C4 right here. See inside of it. And then we got a Boss 302. It's got the louvers on the back of it. Looks like he's got him a trophy in there, maybe from a recent car show. That's a real pretty color he's got. He's even got a little mini model made of it. That's neat. Here's a little throwback.
71, 72.
Almost looks like a caffeine color. Looks like it's got some gold flake in it. I'm not sure if those are the factory seats or not. Nice Challenger. So this guy's got a Camaro SS. He said he's did all the work himself. And he's got a wimple on it. He said, I think he said he's at about 800 right now, and he still needs to do some tuning to it. So he got a carbon fiber hood on there. And it looks like he's got replica Z28 wheels on it. 275s on the front, and then he's got some Nitto. I think these are, where's it at? 315s. You can tell he's definitely been doing some running on this thing. Said he's had it at the track a few times, but he wants to tune it before he runs it really hard. Alright, so as you can see, the parking lot's getting empty. Everybody's rolling out, so we're gonna do the same. I was talking to some guys, they got a nice Charger Scat Pack over there. He's gonna show up at the next car show. They got here kind of late. But just don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notifications. And if you like videos like this, I'll put more of them out. Just give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll talk to you later.